Hey guys, today I will show you how you can create folders within Telegram. Just like these folders. You can create them yourself, very easy. So this works on desktop as well as mobile. So what you want to do is you want to go to settings right here, then go to chat folders, add a custom folder, give it a name, and an icon. Let's do this button, like button. Please like the video. And you can select the included chats. Let's do only chats with bots appear in this test folder, but let's exclude this, for example. And that's it. You can tap on create. And if you want to let the folders appear on the left side of your screen, you can tap on this one. Right now, the test folder is right here. So that's it. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.